Hello my little babies! Today we are going to do a summer makeup which will be super nice and it's inspired by this photo. So let's go! So as you can see, I already have my makeup base on because I just don't want to keep you too long because I already know that you already know how to put your foundation on and how to contour your face and how to make your eyebrows fluffy and how to apply some lipstick. So I didn't want it to just keep you here for nothing basically. So first of all, I'm gonna take some glitter from here. I hope this will be a good match for this makeup. And first of all, I'm gonna apply it in a shape here. And I'm trying to diffuse it a little bit. But be very careful when you are putting glitter on your eyes because this will just run from your eye. And you don't want that to happen. So be very careful when you are doing this. And try to use for this some pressed glitter because this is the best for this thing. And if you are using a powder glitter, it will be very messy. So that's why in the last 2 years, since I just made a lot of makeups, I stopped using powder glitters and I just use pressed glitters, and I'm very happy with this. So I really advise you to use only these because these are much more better. These are much more easier to use, so I don't know any reason to not use this, honestly. And also a thing that I almost forgot, because you always forget important things when you're doing your makeup. Keep in mind the fact that if you are using glitter, you may have some fallout, and if you are using pressed glitter, it's much more normal to have less fallout. But if you are using powder glitter, be ready to become a very mess, a very beautiful mess, because this will be very messy. And believe me, you don't want to make your foundation first because you will need to just erase it and do it again because you won't be able to save anything from there. So keep in mind that if you are using glitter, you will have some fallout, and depending on the types of glitter, for the pressed one you will have much more benefits. So just use this, babes. Just use pressed glitters. They are much more better. And I'm not sponsored to say this, so you can believe me. I'm like your, I don't know, older or earlier sister. Not earlier, how do I call this? I don't know. I have some very strange moments sometimes when I just don't know how to talk. My brain is just like stopping. It's like doing this thing where it just doesn't, I don't know, doesn't want to do anything more. I don't know why it does that. It's like a little bitch that is trying to control my life. I mean, it's already controlling my life, but I don't know. It's my brain, so I guess he needs to do that. Yeah, look what I said, and I encountered the same situation, guys. Fallout from the glitter, but at least I do not have that much fallout that I would have with a normal glitter. So now I will make some eyeliner, some graphic eyeliner, which will be super nice. So keep my fist because I need some good luck for this. I need to make this to look as good as... Sorry for no talking, girlies. It's a little bit hard. I don't know why, but I sometimes just mess up because I'm just thinking about it too much. Oh yeah, that's called overthinking. Okay, so we have something here. It looks cute, honestly. It looks cute. And then is calling. Now let's do the other eye. I'm super excited for this look. It's like a festival look. And it's so cute, guys. Look at this. Look how cute this looks. Mute on is on and off when I'm doing this. I think mute mode is a thing for these makeups. Okay, we have one more line to make and this is over. Yay. This actually looks so nice, guys. Look, that's super cute. That's honestly super cute. Now let's apply my falsies. Now this part. These are some serious lashes, guys. These are huge. We have it, guys. Now let me do some freckles on my face. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, I know that. Oops. What's that? Sorry, guys. That you needed to see that. I'm sorry. I will look again like a rotten thing. But I don't care. I like to look like a rotten thing. I like to look like a rotten banana, for example. Now I'm looking like a rotten I don't even know. How would you name this look, guys? Let me know in the comments because I'm very curious. I don't even know how to name it. Okay, I guess now I should maybe blend them a little bit. Let's try to do that. Just a little bit to make them look, I don't know, a little bit more blended or something. Oh my god, I hate when kids are doing this, like when they are yelling all day. Like, fucking stop. I can't. I mean, I love kids, but when it's too much, it's too much, guys. Too much is too much. So this is the look, guys. I'm super sweaty right now because, as I told you, it's super hot here and I can't leave any. It's super hot, but I'm leaving. Look how cute the makeup is looking, guys. I just love this, and I love these fake freckles things, and I know that mine are not looking like perfect or something, but at least they are giving that vibe of rotten things, or I don't know. And the eyes and that graphic liner is just insane, and these eyelashes are so huge. I can't, guys. I can't anymore. I can't. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job, and now we are looking fabulous. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to do another makeup because today is a marathon of doing videos.